Have you ever wondered how the seasons came to be? Let me tell you the haunting tale of Persephone. She was the beautiful daughter of Demeter, the goddess of harvest. One fateful day, while picking flowers in a sun-drenched meadow, her life took a dark turn. Suddenly, the ground split open, and from the depths, Hades, the god of the underworld, emerged in his chariot of darkness. He was captivated by her beauty and took her away to his gloomy realm. Demeter, frantic with grief, searched tirelessly for her daughter, neglecting the earth, which withered in her sorrow, leading to the first winter. The gods intervened, and a deal was struck. Persephone would spend half the year with Hades and half with her mother. Yet this was no simple arrangement. Each time Persephone returned to her mother, spring would bloom, bringing life to the earth. However, when she descended to the underworld, the world fell into despair. This cycle defined the seasons, forever marked by the bond between light and dark, love and loss. So the next time you witness the changing seasons, remember the tragic yet beautiful tale of Persephone and her dual existence.